Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa for those of you who are new, and I upload new videos every Sunday. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I hope to start as a new series on my channel, which is going to be called Meal Prepping with Melissa. So today I'm going to share with you two recipes that have quickly become a couple of my favorites whenever I am meal prepping for the week. The first being a honey garlic shrimp with cauliflower fried rice. And then the second is going to be a peppered steak with jasmine rice. So if you want to learn how to make these two dishes, just stick around. For this first dish, you're going to want 1 sausage link and 1.5 pounds of beef cut into 1-inch cubes, about 3 bell peppers also cut into 1-inch cubes, and 1 large onion or 2 medium onions. First, take your bell peppers on a medium-sized baking tray and add about 1/2 of your onion. Next, you're going to want to drizzle some olive oil and add a pinch of salt and add a pinch of pepper and mix together until all is coated. On a large baking tray, you're going to want to take your inch cut beef and sprinkle it with some steakhouse seasoning, and make sure you coat this and mix it well. Next, you're going to take 1/4 of your onion and sprinkle it throughout the pan. Next, take a smaller baking dish and add your sausage and the rest of the onion, and you're going to want to cover both meat trays with some foil to make sure that it steams properly in the oven without over drying the meat. Set your oven to 400 degrees and place the bell pepper and onion on the top rack and the meat on the bottom rack. And set your timer for 30 minutes. While this is cooking in the oven, you're going to want to get your jasmine rice ready. So take about 1.5 cups of jasmine rice and rinse this thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then I do the finger test, which is about 2-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Then place in the rice cooker until it's ready. After 30 minutes, go ahead and take out your baking trays and your meal is complete. For the honey garlic sauce, you're going to take 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, about 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and whisk together until all is combined. Take a skillet and pour some of the honey garlic mixture onto the pan and warm until it becomes a thicker molasses consistency, and lay your shrimp down for about 2 minutes each side. Once you've cooked all your shrimp, go ahead and add a bit more of the honey garlic sauce to the skillet and add your red onion. Once the onion has wilted a bit, go ahead and add your broccoli. Once the broccoli is coated, go ahead and add your shrimp and toss all together to mix. Next, take your wok and warm it to medium to high heat. Add some sesame oil to the bottom of the pan and begin to add your cauliflower rice to give it that stir-fried taste. Mix for about a minute or 2 and then you're done. Alright guys, that does it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you're not part of the family already. And also hit that notification bell on the side so you don't forget when I upload every week. And then also, if you have any tips or tricks on how you like to meal prep and get through that process a little bit quicker or more efficiently, please drop them down below. Also, if you have any yummy recipes that you personally love, I'd love to check them out. So also drop those down for everybody to see down in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.